Hi guys, this is Obi Kitchen and you're welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to cook ofe ugba. Ofe ugba simply means ugba soup, and ugba is also known as oil bean. It is an African food delicacy, an African food recipe, and is a very delicious soup. Let's go straight into the video. I have my meat here and I'm cutting them into smaller pieces. Then my pot is on the fire. I'll transfer the meat into the pot, add some water to cook the meat. We're going to boil the meat, add some onion, seasoning, and some salt to taste. So we'll be boiling the meat until it is soft and tender. Here I have dried fish. I'll go ahead, peel and wash the dried fish properly. It's very dried, so I will transfer it into the pot and boil it together with the meat. When the meat is cooked, add some crushed habanero pepper. Cover to cook for 2 minutes before you start adding other ingredients. I'm adding crayfish powder, then the shredded ugba. Give it a gentle stir and cover to cook for like 3 minutes. Add some palm oil and a little more water to cook the soup proper. Seasoning, cover to cook. At this point, I'll be adding a thickener, and I'll be using achi powder as a thickener for this recipe. So give it a stir, a good mix. Give it a good mix. Make sure you mix very well. Mixing the thickener very well will enable it to dissolve properly in the soup. Then I'll add a little more salt to taste. Give it a gentle stir. Then we'll cover to cook for 3 minutes again. I'll add some chili flakes. And I'll be using a little vegetable for this recipe. The vegetable I'll be using today is uziza leaves. I will add some shredded uziza leaves. Ugba soup tastes better when cooked with uziza leaves. Don't forget to add some when you're making yours. Don't cook for too long after adding your vegetables. Turn off the heat after a minute. Have you subscribed to my channel? Please, if you love my recipes, subscribe to my channel, share and like my videos. I want to say a special thank you to my returning subscribers, and I want to thank you all who bring out time to watch my videos. I love you all. Please stay with me on this channel. I have loads of amazing food recipes to share with you guys. Our ugba soup is ready. This is a very delicious African traditional soup recipe. You can use it to eat yam. You can pair it with any swallow of your choice. And it is very, very easy to make. Try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.